Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I watch police chases, we got GSP in pursuit of an Infiniti G37. I don't know if y'all have seen the video. Damn, look at the ball spot on your shirt. If y'all have seen the video, that'll go up before this one of the GTR running. But we got the GTR's little brother, some would say, the Infiniti G37, taking off. If the cops catch the guy running, I got some donuts. I'm gonna clap it up for him. Honestly, I want to eat more donuts. So, I want to eat these donuts. So, you know, I mean, I don't condone running from the police. I'm sick we can't get a speed reading on this thing. So he lights up the G37. These things have like an exceptional amount of power for just being a V6. So I don't know if he's just gonna get into the gas and try to take it there with this car that tops out at 155. Maybe this one tops out at 155, who knows? But he needs to have a plan. You can't just lose the police on accident. The police won't lose you on accident, I promise they won't. I guess he's just setting it up so he's pulled over into the right place to eventually take off. That'll be the biggest mistake in your life if you get caught. You'll be like, man, I'll never do that again. I don't know what type of time is associated with running from the cops, but he's taking right off. And look at ASP. I mean GSP. I'm so used to seeing these ASP chases, I'm sorry. He kinda got the cops there. This looks similar to the GTR. Like how it's creating that gap. I can see like these cars are related. He's not gonna lose them by accident. You better have a plan and you better not be trying to think it's gonna be easy. Like, why are you on the brakes, bud? I'm surprised he had the torque to get that cop off his quarter panel. Damn, and he got him. You ain't going nowhere, buddy.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Roll it down! Roll it down! Roll it down! You run, I'll shoot your ass! Come here! Keep both your hands up! Hey, get your fucking hands up! Stupid! Come here, lay down! Lay down! Lay down! Faster! Faster! Hurry up! Hands behind your back! Do it now! Shut up! I didn't ask you nothing, did I? You under arrest. You understand that? Where you coming from? Huh?
Why wouldn't he just pull over?
Roll over on your side.
I got a broken thumb. Can you pick me up?
You got a what?
My thumb is broken.
Your thumb is broken. Sit up. Come on. How much you been drinking?
How much I been drinking?
Yeah.
Not much.
Not much. You also under arrest for DUI right now.
No.
Yeah, suspicion of DUI because I can smell you've been drinking. You got any guns on you, man?
No.
Any weapons in the car? Is this your car?
No.
Oh, you done fucked up somebody else's car?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Okay, how you doing? Good. Can we pass you?
Wow, took him into chasing somebody else's car. It was crazy. I couldn't imagine like me being like convincing my sister to let me drive her Mercedes and then taking it on a chase and then getting it pit maneuvered. The insurance ain't going to hear that.
How old are you? Do you know your age? Do you have a license? Dude, where's it at? Is it on you? Yeah, we'll talk about that here in a minute. I just got to try to find your license real quick, dude. Is it on you or in a car?
Pitted is crazy. That was textbook too. They caught him going 102 in the 60-mile-per-hour zone. All he had to do was pull over.
I just got to make sure, man. I just got to make sure. Are you hurt other than your thumb? No. All right, sure. Yeah, I'll get you taken care of. I just got to make sure you ain't got
This is only, you know what I mean, 30 minutes before midnight. He's drinking. He's not in his own car.
All right, go to the other side right here. I'm going to put you in
Wow.
real quick, all right? Can you put him in so I turn this chirp off?
Speed's reaching 145 miles per hour. Let's see what this guy look like. Obviously, an older black gentleman.
Cool. Well, I appreciate you stopping out, man. All right, man. Be good.
Damn. Look like he just got off work.
I appreciate it. All right, bro. Real quick, before I let you use the phone, I just got to read you something, okay? Like I told you, you are being charged with DUI also because I can tell you've been drinking. I can smell it on you, okay? And based off the decisions that you made here tonight, okay, leads me to believe you're probably under the influence. All right. Let me read this to you real quick, okay? This is your Georgia implied consent notice for suspects age 21 or over. The state of Georgia has conditioned your privilege to drive upon the highways of this state upon your submission to state-administered chemical test of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances for the purpose of determining if you're under the influence of alcohol or drugs. If you refuse its testing, your Georgia driver's license or your privilege to drive on the highways of this state will be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. Your refusal to submit to blood or urine testing may be offered into evidence against you at trial. If you submit to testing and the results indicate an alcohol concentration of 0.08 grams or more, Your Georgia driver's license or your privilege to drive on the highways of this state may be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. After first submitting to the requested state test, you are entitled to additional chemical tests of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances at your own expense and for qualified personnel of your own choosing. Or will you submit to the state administered chemical test of your blood? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, blood test. Okay, thank you.
Damn. Those 2 letters revoke or suspend your license for a year. It's crazy work. On top of the other charges. It's not like he gonna be driving anyway. If you get caught for running from the police, it's not like you could even get a bond. Like, you already did it. You already ran. So that was the end of it. The G37 textbook pit by GSP, man. Let's clap it up for him. Have a donut. What was I thinking? Closing these. I'm always have more, bro. The police usually win. Unless it's ASP. What type of horsepower was he behind to feel like he could evade? .328 to 330 horsepower. The cops have 390 pound-feet of torque. There's no way. And these things only have 270 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive though. I'm freezing down here in my mom's basement, if y'all don't know. I'm in my mom's basement with a damn. Got a 7-speed. Just wow. But it kind of made a little gap. I ain't gonna lie. But not enough to get away. I don't see many things getting away from GSP. Y'all check out the undefeated Hellcat versus GSP on my channel. That video is sick. It'll surprise you. Because you would think one thing, but then it's another. Anyways, if y'all liked the video, man, smash the like button, show some support, leave a comment. Especially if you want to join the Liftoff gang, man. If you want to lift off in some fast like these, like that or that. What's that? A Hennessy over there? Smash the subscribe button. Join the Liftoff gang. It's JTSpeeds, and I am out. Peace.